But I did a little research on the tool companies, and like we were talking about earlier, I
Oh, okay.
just was trying to figure out, like, do any of them even care? And one of them did. Like, I found that I looked at Makita, Milwaukee, and DeWalt, are the main battery tool companies that most people use in the United States, and DeWalt was
Okay.
the only one that even had a policy that was even trying to move in the direction of sustainability. The other two was like, I tried to dig down that rabbit hole on the webpage, and there was nothing there. So
Right.
I think
So
it
that's really interesting.
and
That
I just
tells you something.
yeah, and I guess I want to say this for the people who are like, we keep talking about complexity. It's actually not that hard. I think if we go back to this idea of transparency, and at least, and just look like, so this is one thing I like to think of. This really helps me. Like you said before, don't try to be perfect. Like, never let perfection be the enemy of progress. And so
Right.
if I'm looking at three different brands, and one of them even has a sustainability policy on their website and the other two don't, well, then just choose the one that's at least got a policy.